Hey y'all, what's up, everybody? It's your girl Rita, and I am here just to say again, thank you guys so much for all the love, for all the support you guys have afforded me with my very first check from YouTube, and I hope that it's just the first of many, and that it's my smallest one, and they're just gonna increase. But if they don't, guess what? I'm gonna still be coming on here and bringing you guys recipes, quick and easy recipes for the most part. Sometimes we have to do a little work, but that's okay. But I just wanted to thank you guys because you're giving me that time and space in your day. It really means a lot to me. I thank you guys for almost being at 1,500 subscribers, and I'm a little over a year in the game, and I just appreciate you guys. I really do appreciate you guys, and I want to be a channel that you guys like, and that you want to come and visit, and that you look forward to getting videos from. So that is definitely my main goal, is to get people to come on, cook for their families, you know, not eat out so much, and show you how easy it is to just come on, come home and fix something to eat, or throw something in the crock pot all day. You know, I'm just trying to get more people to eat together, cook for your family. It's better all around. And tonight I am cooking, but this recipe is already on the channel. So I wanted you guys to go back and revisit this video. I'm going to tag the link in the description box below. I don't know how many of you guys check that description box, because I tell you what I'm going to be using in my videos, what you're gonna need for the recipe in that description box. So I don't know if you're familiar with the description box. There is a drop down arrow under the videos, and you hit that drop down arrow and it'll tell you, you know, I'll talk to you, tell you what the meal is about, and I will give you the ingredients that you're gonna need. So that kind of stuff is in that description box. So if you're not familiar with that, get familiar with that description box, because sometimes when you want to cook something, you can just go to that description box and you can get your items, you know, ahead of time, and then cook along with me if you want to do that as well. So access that description box. It is a good tool, okay, you guys? And tonight I am cooking, and I have already cooked actually, and I have cooked my taco soup, you guys. It is a quick, easy, delicious meal, you guys. So good, always so filling, with some cheese and chips and toppings. And I want you guys to go back and access that video. We're almost to 1,000 views on that video, and it is a good video. Some of you guys, if you're new here, you may not know about those later days when I first started doing my videos, but go back and check out my video called Quick Taco Soup. I will put a link in the description box. But if you don't know how to access that video, that description box, just search my Quick Taco Soup. And because it's over so many views, I think it may just come up if you do a general search. But I know if you do a search on my specific channel, that will come up for you guys. So that's all I wanted to thank you guys for all the love and support, and thank you for hanging in there with me. And I'm just a little engine that could. I call my channel Little Sneaky, because I'm doing it, you know, and anybody can. If you are thinking about if you should start a channel, and if you're passionate about something, absolutely try it, because I didn't even think that I would have over 200 people or 100 people watching my videos or subscribing to my channel. So everybody has a niche, everybody has a passion, and somebody else is passionate about it, and somebody else is gonna like what you do. So if you have tough skin, because you need it, man, these people be talking crazy. Oh, they do. They talk crazy. But I have changed so much stuff on my channel. My channel is crazy. Like, if you try to say some crazy stuff, it'll grade the thing out. Like, I can't even read nothing but a couple of lines. My channel be keeping me from going off on people. Because if you go off on me, depending on the day of the week, I might go out bad. But you know, I'm working on myself, being a better Christian, being a better person, right? But yeah, no, I don't care about none of that. I just care about who care about me. I care about y'all. I love everybody. No hate over here. Like my homeboy, my YouTube brother say, love and not hate, honey. That's all I'm about. And I'm gonna keep on doing it until I can't do it no more, or until I get 0 views. Okay, you guys, I will talk to you guys on the next one. I love you. We see what Rita's cooking. Don't forget, comment, like, subscribe. All these videos, you guys, you're doing so good on viewing. But please make sure you're giving me that thumbs up and liking the video. That means a lot to my channel, to my analytics, to how I show up in YouTube and in Google. So do that as well. And I appreciate it. Whatever you do, I just appreciate it. And I love you guys. And I will see you guys on the next one. Don't forget, go search quick taco soup and make you some. It's the weather for it. It's perfect time. It's quick. It's easy. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Remember, your food ain't all the way live until it's been what? Re-ties. Let's go.